Okay, I was thinking about how to use a Hustler mobile antenna. This is a 20-meter resonator on top of a 54-inch Hustler mast. I've got it staked into the ground. The coax goes to the radio that's in the pickup truck. And for a radial, didn't really know how long a radial I needed, so I used an alligator clip to a metal tape measure, and I rolled out the tape measure until I brought the SWR down. So in around 70-60, I've got a very low SWR, and I was just heard by some reverse beacon network stations. One of them about 7 miles away, and the rest of them from about 200 to 500 miles away. And it's late afternoon in Virginia, and it looks to me like it's going to work. I got a piece of coax that runs into the truck, and then over to my ICOM 706. And let's see if we can see the SWR on the 706. I'll do a quick test here. Okay, looks like about a less than a 1.5 to 1 SWR. So this was a very quick setup for possibly working POTA. Sitting in the driver's seat with the 706, my old MFJ paddle, and there's the antenna sitting in the middle of the backyard on a tent stake, and a mirror mount for the Hustler, and a piece of tape measure. Let's just see what the tape measure reads, just for fun. Looks like a little over 9 feet, so it's probably 10 foot of a radial when I count the alligator clip that's connecting it. And I see no reason why I couldn't do this on 15, 17, 30 meters. So I'll be trying that tomorrow if we have a good day.